Okay, so here we have more trees, lots of trees. Nice and lush environment, but I don't know if you can see, but they're behind the fence. And so, no access for Lucy to the trees. Okay, I guess that's it. I'm going to go and try and find Lucy. Okay, here's the shade structure. At the moment, some of it is shaded. Some of it is not. That's kind of a small area for an elephant. But then over on the other side, yeah, there's some shade. Let's see. Let me go up. Oh, there's a pigeon. Yeah. And there's some posts in between. And what else? So there's that big loud branch kind of thing. Oops. There we go. And here's the fencing. Oops. Let's go underneath. There's the fencing. Oh. My goodness. Getting the horse. Okay. Alright, here we have speakers, and just beyond that is a tire on the fence. And oh, there's a ball over there. Right there. And I think I'll look at the fencing. So here's the fence. Oops, fencing around there. More vegetation, inaccessible. Trees. Okay, here's fencing here. That's there. Fencing there. Now, okay, if we come over here, we have a shade structure. That's good. I'm not sure what that blue thing is. Okay, hope I'm not making anybody dizzy. Okay, so here's the tree. Oops. There's the fence. Here's this fence. Oh. And there's all kinds of greenery there, which is inaccessible. And there's a wire on the bottom. Right, where is it? Right there. Wire running along the whole thing. Alright, what else? Oops, going too fast. So, a new development, which is quite wonderful, is this. Sort of a mud wallow. There's a stick there. Oh, right. Log. There's a log there. And then there's water and sand. And whatever that thing is. Some sort of wooden thing. Yeah, so that's great. There is a pile of sand over here. And let's see what else we have. So there's a whole bunch of greenery here. Trees. And vegetation. But Lucy does not have access to this. She cannot reach it from behind this fence. So it looks good, but she doesn't have access to it. Okay. So, whoops, going too fast again. Sorry. There's a tire. Another tire, some logs, rock. I'm not sure what the rock's supposed to do. Okay. Okay, here's the outside enclosure. The trees are still on the outside. No access to the trees.